love the bounciness and the juiciness of the curls. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this video is sponsored by YG Wigs, and I'm so happy that they sent me this cute little package with, let's see what's inside. So we have 2 bundles of 18-inch Spanish curl. Those juicy curls. Okay, I'm so excited to try this out. Some clamps, a rat tail comb, an edge brush, and one of these parting finger rings. Yeah, I just want y'all to see both packs of hair together. It is very thick. That's one thing I did notice about this hair. It is very thick hair. This is 2 bundles, and the weight, it's has some really nice weight to it. It doesn't have a bad smell. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this style. I'm going to be using this braiding hair color 2730. We're going to see how that looks as a combination. And I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam.
So the very first important step is for me to set up my braiding rack so that way I can easily grab the hair as I go. The second very important step is parting, pre-parting. That's the reason why I have that mirror in front of me, because that's the only way that I can see the back of my head. And I'm not going to lie to you, it is a struggle, but I just do it my best and I don't try to get it perfect. So when I first start my braid, I feed in 2 pieces of the 2730 braiding hair. I only feed in 2 pieces per braid. And once I get about an inch down, that's when I add in my first piece of boho. And I add in about 4 boho pieces per braid. So when I'm adding in the boho, you're going to notice I only add it on the middle piece. And then right after I add it, I have to put a little bit of Shining Gem because it bonds it together and it keeps your braid neat. And it makes it easier for you to braid down. I notice, like, if I don't use some sort of jam or edge control as I'm braiding, for some reason the hair, it tends to slip out a lot easier. That's just my opinion. So like I said, I add in at least 4 boho pieces all the way down, and I put them about 1 to 2 and like 1.5 to 2 inches apart. And then I just repeat this step all over my head. Once I get to the very end of the braid, I knot it and I try to braid it down as close as possible to the very end. And once I knot it, I just go on to the next braid. But keep in mind, at the very end, you will see me gathering all the pieces of hair and wrapping them with my flexi rod, so that way the ends can have some curls and that it will blend in with the boho hair a lot more seamless. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's coming together so beautiful, even more beautiful than I could have imagined. The brown and the black combination, it's beautiful together. I'm really loving how this is all starting to come together. Okay, so now you see me pulling apart the straight pieces from the boho. And once I gather a handful of straight pieces, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my flexi rod. And once I finish the entire head, I will then get my hot water, dip them, dry them with a towel, and then I'm good to go. Voila. Okay, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support my channel and you're interested in purchasing this hair from YG Wigs, please use my product code in the description so that you can get a discount. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.